So I'm going to show you how to use any photo as the cover screen wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. So you want to go into settings. Under settings, just scroll down to cover screen, tap on that, and then you can see all these are wallpapers for your cover screen. So what you need to do is simply tap on add new. And then you have the gallery option, which you can tap on that arrow, and that's going to take you into your gallery where you can find items in your gallery. So I'm going to pick that photo, for instance. You can actually pick more than one photo, and then you're going to have a slideshow on the cover screen. But for this particular tutorial, I'll pick one photo, tap on done, and you can see what the photo is going to look like. Your clock, if you have the correct clock, it's going to try to adjust or wrap itself around your current wallpaper, especially if you have the first two fonts. Okay, so you can see it's going to try and position itself so that it doesn't obscure your current wallpaper. Then now you can tap on done, and now we have a new wallpaper on the lock screen of on the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 8. Thanks for watching and good luck.